Hey guys, today we're going to look at how to use the external tool. So I showed this in a workshop and some people were excited about it. So let's walk through step by step how to set it up, and then we'll look at student responses in the iPad. So I've got an assignment here. I'm just calling it Slides External Tool. This could be Docs. It doesn't matter. We're just pulling something from Google Docs to pull it in. I happen to use Slides for this one, and this is just so I could find it in my course. Call it whatever you want. Nothing really changes except for we're going to use this external tool submission type. So you're going to go to Find, and then scroll down to Google Docs Cloud Assignment. And what this does is it allows you to pull a document from your Drive or slideshow or spreadsheet. And when students submit it, it makes a copy into their Google Drive that they can then submit. So you would click on Google Docs and hit Find, and it opens up your Google Drive. And you'll need to sign in the first time. And you can search for a document if you know you have one. I'm going to jump through some folders real quick once they load. So I know, for instance, I've got this folder, and it has an assignment I want students to do or a template that I want them to use. So this works well for templated work. So we're going to do this molecule identification. And when you're done, you hit Submit. I had already submitted it, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to hit OK. And once it is selected, you get this funky URL. You don't need to change anything in here. And then finish off your settings and hit Save at the bottom of the page. Once this is set up, it gives you a preview of what the assignment will look like for students. So you're actually going to see a view of your document or your slideshow. So right now, these slides are going to pop up. And your students would then run through and essentially follow whatever instructions you give them. So I'm going to switch over to my iPad now and show you what it looks like in the Canvas student app versus Safari. Okay, so I'm signed in as a student, so I'm going to open my course and tap Assignments and then find my Slides External Tool. That was what I titled it. And then you tap on Launch External Tool. And when you tap on that, it opens you into the slideshow. Students tap on the title of the document that you've given them, and it opens the slideshow up, and now they can edit this. This is their own copy of it, so I can come in, I can make changes to it, I can add text, I can add drawings, whatever I need to add. So I am going to title this the type of molecule, so if that were my instructions, this happens to be a steroid. When I'm done, I can tap Student in the top left, and it takes me back to Canvas. So I have to reopen the course, and this is one of the nuances of the assignment. So I'd go back into the assignment, tap Submission, tap Launch External Tool, and now instead of tapping the assignment title, I'm going to tap on the Submit button, and that sends it to my teacher. In Safari, it's a little different. So I've got my assignments open. I'm going to open the specific assignment, and again, it shows you the preview. Here I tap on the title, and it takes me straight into the Google Slides app, so I don't have to open the external tool. But notice it kept my original annotation on that first slide, so I can pick up my work where I left off. This is, again, same for a document, for slideshows, for spreadsheets, whatever they are working on, it saves that work in their Google Drive, and they can come in and continue to edit that assignment. So I've just added another title here, tap on Safari in the top left, and then hit Submit, and it submits my updated assignment. Okay, so now I'm back in my teacher view. So I've got my assignment here. I'm going to go into the Speedgrader, and this will show me my student submissions. So it's going to open the Speedgrader for me. And so I was in under my Instructional Technology account. And I can download the assignment as a PowerPoint, but I can see each of their slides one at a time. And here's the student response. I have all of these tools up here, and I can highlight if I want to. I can draw if I want to, right? That's correct, check mark. I can leave specific comments on it if I want to as well, in line with the thing. Great job. So the annotation tools are quite helpful when I'm grading this. And so again, here's the second annotation there by my students. So this is what it looks like when students give it to you. If they resubmit the assignment, like if they came in and titled this one, they would have some kind of title here, and then I could come in and continue to grade it if I wanted to. So that's how to use the Google External Tool. Thanks for watching.